Hi, it's Isabel with the Farmer Success Team here at FarmRaise, and today we are going to be talking about payroll pay groups. So, pay groups are going to help with the payroll onboarding process, but are also going to help you to assign your workers and employees to different payroll groups. And so once you navigate to payroll at the top menu, you can then head to edit employer info on the left hand side. And so you can click that. And then we are going to go to pay groups. And so right now you can see that my pay groups are set on monthly. So, pay groups are going to be if you pay your workers weekly, monthly, every other week, twice a month. And then you can also set up default pay groups. So right now, my default pay group is once a month, and I can go in here and edit this and change what day the payday is on, change whether this is my default pay group or not, and then I can also change which workers are in this pay group as well. And then I can also add a pay group. So I can name the pay group and I will just say weekly pay group so that I can remember. And then I'll have the choice between every week, every other week, twice a month, and once a month. So this is going to be my every week pay group. And then I will be able to choose the first payday on this new schedule. And remember, when you are choosing a pay group, if you are doing direct deposits, you are going to want to have a 4-day lead time. So I currently will have to wait until next Monday to have enough days. And so then I'll need to choose when the pay period ends. So we will say that the pay period ends today. So then my pay period will be 10/20, the 22nd through the 28th, with the pay date on the 4th. And then I can assign workers from here to this pay group. And this just kind of helps you to get reminded when you have a payroll coming up. And you can create as many different groups as you need. And then know that you may have to change your pay date sometimes, especially if the pay date is going to land on a holiday or a non-banking day. And then we can save this. I do have this worker already assigned to another pay group schedule, so I will have to remove them first. But if you have any other questions about pay group, we are going to review pay type in another video. But if you have any other questions about pay group or pay type, please feel free to reach out to our team at support@farmraise.com or click the little green circle in the bottom right hand corner of our website right here. So thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your payroll.